You paste an API key into Slack for a quick handoff, and you feel that instant oh no panic, and realize that message will now live forever in backups, exports, bot indexes, and even hacker keyword searches. That's where Sentria steps in. It turns that raw secret or even files into a one-time self-destructing link. No accounts, no infrastructure to babysit, just pure AWS serverless doing the heavy lifting. Now let's go through a quick demo. I'll share that same API key, can attach a file if I choose. So let me pick the screenshot, for example. I can choose to password protect this and share that password with the recipient. So for now, let me put a password, choose a custom expiration, and choose the number of views that I want to allow it. So let's pick 3. And then I'll create a secure link. With this, API Gateway will hit a Lambda function that writes the record to an Amazon DynamoDB with TTL. And this also signs a pre-signed S3 put URL for the file and streams the file straight to Amazon S3. And the link for everything is returned to me in milliseconds. So I can copy this link, can show a QR code to share it, or I can directly share it with Mac sharing options. So let me copy this link, let me open it in an incognito tab. So this directly populates this view secret with the secret ID, and I can choose to enter my password here. Let's say if I enter the wrong password and I try to retrieve the secret, the link opens to API Gateway again, but the wrong password triggers Lambda to send a 401 error, and it shows me this back to me. Now if I press the right password, this will now unlock the secret and give me that pre-signed S3 URL that I can now use to download the file. So this opens the file for me. And it also tells me the remaining views are 2, and after this, it'll automatically be deleted. Now, a DynamoDB stream also fires a second Lambda function that updates live metrics. So we can see this analytics dashboard for the entire platform, which shows us the total secrets, the number of current active secrets, the number of secrets that have been accessed by at least one person, and the number that have been automatically deleted after either reaching max view expiration or expiring by the time. You can also look at some security best practices that are recommended and look at external resources like NIST and OWASP, or go back to creating a new secret. Sentria, paste, share, forget. It's a serverless secrecy built with Lambda, API Gateway, DynamoDB, and S3. Thanks for watching.